Hi everybody. This video is to kind of show off the fire area survey tool and how it's used to calculate acreage on a KML. We'll specifically kind of highlight the FAS program. You know, they'll use the sensor airborne, get the shape of the fire, create a KML, and stream it to your device. So if you're on the incident and you've got connectivity, you can interrogate it and see, how big it is. Traditionally, if you clicked on it, we use the crane incident here and grab the more info. As you scroll down, the shape area and perimeter are not in acres. And I've been told that it's a projection issue from Intera. But the fire area survey tool, not really created to do this, but had kind of a positive unintended artifact, allows us to really calculate the shape on the fly, which is really nice. Before, I would suggest to tell people to make a shape and trace it, then create acreage. Well, you could get a rough estimate. Now it's going to be directly what the polygon is. So you start by clicking fire area survey, creating a survey. If you know the incident name, you can put it in there. I'm just going to put test. Hit OK. Now I have a survey. And click on test. I'll hit the plus sign. And we're going to calculate area. I'm going to select a shape. I'm going to select this shape. You notice there's two in here. That's okay. Just click one of them. And I'm going to hit done. What this has done is create a KML line around this entire incident. It's going to have a start and an endpoint. The next thing I want to do is hit the plus sign again, click area, and I'm going to connect the legs. Basically what it's saying is connect the start and end of this KML. So I'm going to hit connect legs, and then it's asking me by tapping one of the segment endpoints. So I'm going to click where this white dot is here, and you've got a start, and now it's asking me to click the next point. I'm going to hit the end, and now it's created a shape. I'm going to hit end, and now I've got a new area. I can name it whatever I want. This was the crane incident. Hit done. And now I've got crane. If I click on it, I can click the more info tool. And now I've got a perimeter in feet and miles. I've got my area in acres at 44 acres. All right, well, hopefully that was helpful. There's a bunch of other useful stuff in the fire area survey tool, but I wanted to highlight how you can calculate off a KML and get the acreage and perimeter.